Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Hen plus D plus hen plus dance. Independence. D plus hay, day. Independence Day. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And now, here's the host of Concentration, one of the original signers of the Declaration of Independence, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Happy holiday, everyone. If you are just waking up out of a trance and are tuning us in right now, you know it isn't in celebration of Halloween. Happy July 4th. Oh, boy, look at this. Contestants are into it, too. Let's welcome back to our program the young man on my right, the man with a French-sounding name. His name is Marc Lafontaine.
Very good. How are you?
Do you speak French at all?
Un petit peu.
Un peu. French in the background in Canada or France?
Actually, a little bit of both. A little French,
Yeah?
and my mom is French-Canadian.
All right, you ready to play?
Absolutely.
We've got a newcomer to face you today. Her name is Michelle DeWorth.
Correct.
Hello, Michelle DeWorth. U.S. Air Force, huh?
Yes.
Where stationed?
I'm stationed at George Air Force Base, currently up in the high desert.
How long have you been in the Air Force?
Oh, about 3.5 years.
Gonna make it a career?
I'm certainly looking at it.
Good for you. What do you do in the Air Force?
Public affairs officer.
Great. So you're into showbiz a little bit. Yeah, aren't you?
I'm behind the camera a lot.
Yes, all righty. Take a look over here and we will show you one of our special holiday prizes.
You're elected to rub shoulders with movers, shakers, and policymakers as you and a guest spend a week in Washington, D.C. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Washington, D.C. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll enjoy 6 nights at the guest quarters in Washington, D.C. Enjoy the luxury of a spacious suite in the heart of the nation's capital, furnished by Guest Quarters Suite Hotel. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. We'll show our 2 contestants where on the board they will be able to find that Washington, D.C. vacation. It is at number 19. Michelle, you get to pick first.
Well, let's look for a match for that D.C. vacation. That'd be great. Under number 11.
Home security system.
Okay, how about a match for that? Under number 7.
Nope. Chinese wok set. Mark.
Chinese wok set. Okay, number 23.
Wild card.
Oh, and number 19.
19 for the Washington, D.C. vacation. I thought for a moment you were going to go for the wok set. Let's show him where the natural match would have occurred to Washington at number 2. 3 panels opening up for Mark. Select again.
Okay, number 4.
Wild card
There it
again.
is. That's great. And number 6.
Encyclopedia set. The
All
other
right, can always use that.
The other one is located at number 20. Once again, 3 panels. Pick again.
Okay, number 21.
Chinese wok set.
And number 16 for the match.
No, that's a take. Michelle.
How about number 7?
Chinese wok set.
And a match for that under number 21.
Chinese wok set for the lady. Here are the 2 doors opening for you, Michelle. Select again.
Number 17.
Dining set.
That'd be nice. How about a match for that under number 18?
Diamond ring.
Diamond ring, great. Let's see what's on number 3.
Home security system.
And number 11 for the match.
Home security system. Is your girlfriend in the audience today?
No, she has to work, so I can be here today.
Oh, all right. Well, take a look now, see if you can win some lovely prizes for her. Select again.
Let's see what's under number 14.
Diamond ring.
And number 13 for the match. Oh, reds.
Wide angle binoculars. No match there. Michelle?
How about number 18?
How about number 18? That's the diamond ring.
And number 14, please.
You're right. Mark was close. One panel away, but it didn't work for him. It did work for Michelle. Let's see what it reveals. Pick again.
Number 10, please.
There's a wild card for you, Michelle.
Well, let's see what's under number 5.
Dining set. The other dining set at number 17. A lot of this puzzle is going to be showing as we open these 3 panels. Can Michelle solve it? Go again.
Number 8, please.
Rope hammock.
A match for that under number 9, please.
Nope. Green take. Mark.
Number 24.
Wide angle binoculars.
Number 13 for the match.
Easy to remember it, isn't it, when you make that kind of a mistake? Swing them open. Select.
Number 22.
Green take.
And number 9 for the match.
Yep. Got a walk set. She has a dining set, and she has a diamond ring.
I'll take that diamond ring, Charlene.
Are you getting close to an engagement?
Absolutely. If I had the money,
You'd be married
on the
now?
way. Absolutely.
Yeah. All righty. Well, it's nice to find somebody that you feel that way about. Take a look now, Mark. I want you to win these prizes.
Is it pretty as a picture?
Pretty as a picture, he says. By golly, Mark McCullough is right. He's going to Washington. He's got a diamond ring and some other prizes, too. Let's go to the board. It's a short trip, but a worthwhile one.
Absolutely. Here's the PR plus the hit, so that's Prit plus the T. Prit, hit T, pretty. Here's the donkey, which is an as. Pretty as. And the hay, pretty as a. Here's the pick, and this is the one that gave me trouble, was the chair. Pretty as a picture.
Pretty as a picture.
Oh, yeah.
Nice work. Nice work indeed. Michelle, first time out for you. 1 strike only against you, so you'll be back in a little while to compete in game number 2. We'll see you in that one. Mark, let's find out about your prizes. You've done very well indeed. Gene, please.
Wide-angle binoculars, plus service merchandise, gift certificate with which you may select wide-angle binoculars or other top-name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by service merchandise and an encyclopedia set. You may explore your world in the best-selling World Book Encyclopedia. 18,000 articles, 29,000 illustrations from dinosaurs to space exploration, furnished by World Book, and a home security system. Safe and sound wireless home security system designed for easy installation and engineered to provide the ultimate in security. Safe and sound, furnished by Demango Products. And a diamond ring. Authentic Black Hills Gold, part of South Dakota Gold Company's jewelry collection. This 3-diamond ring in hues of rose, green, and yellow gold, crafted in the distinctive tri-color design, furnished by South Dakota Gold Company. And, of course, the exciting Washington, D.C. vacation. A prize package worth $5,308.
Big win for Mark. We'll see how well he does as he tries to pick up a brand new car as well after these commercials. If you had your wide-angle binoculars right now, Mark, you could get a really good look at my patriotic tie here. I got stars and stripes and everything. Red, white, and blue. I'm into it.
If only that was one of the prizes, it'd be...
Oh, would you like this? I would be willing to part with this and give it to you at the end of the program for just a slight consideration. But we are... getting off the mark here.
Okay.
Pardon the pun.
Yeah.
Ready to play?
Yes.
15 numbered squares, base time, 35 seconds.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12.
No.
13, 15.
No.
3, 2.
No.
7, 2.
Right.
5, 13.
No.
12, 8.
Yep.
5, 10.
Yep.
11, 6.
No.
9, 14.
Yep.
15, 11. No.
No.
6, 11. Rats.
Drats indeed. We've now discovered what Mark's favorite word is, drats. That's when things go wrong. When things go well, as they have in the games, $5,308 in prizes for him, then his reaction is a lot different. We'll bring him back and put him in another game right after this.
You know.
Just one wild card in this next game, and that means we've added a prize, and here it is.
The Apple Macintosh Classic Personal Computer, a transportable system for home education and business tasks. Powerful technology that's easy to use. Alex.
Thank you. Marjorie getting her apple a day. Michelle and Mark, take a look on the board. We'll show you where you can find the computer. It is at number 20. Now, we have the bonus seconds in this game. We have the cash pot. It has $500 in it. And we have Honolulu.
I could really go for that trip.
But you can get an inexpensive trip courtesy of the Air Force.
But this would be so much more fun to go on this trip.
Yeah, no uniforms.
That's right.
Little bathing suit, lie in the sun,
That's
enjoy
right.
yourself,
You
get a
get to win
tan.
it.
Yeah, all right. You get to select first, Michelle.
Okay, well, let's go to the center. Looking for the trip under number 13.
Choose 10 of your favorite novels.
Oh, I love to read. How about a match for that under number 9?
China set, no match. Mark.
China set. I love that computer. I'm a writer. Number 17.
Pearl necklace.
Pearl necklace. And number 9 for the match.
China set, no match. Michelle.
Well, let's keep looking for that trip under number 11.
Honolulu.
All right, okay. Come on, a match for that or a wild card under number 1.
35mm camera package. Mark.
That'd be great, too. Number 22.
Sofa.
Sofa. And number 5 in the corner for the match.
Red take, no match. Michelle.
Okay, how about number 10?
Green take.
Green take. That'd be great for insurance later on. Number 24.
Computer, no match. Mark.
Let's try under number 20.
Computer.
And number 24 for the match.
Yes, the young writer gets the computer. Will he get to keep it?
Right.
That is an important question. Open these two panels. Pick again.
Okay, number 9.
China set.
I want it so bad, apparently. And number 18 for the match.
No, red take there. Michelle.
Okay, how about number 21?
Pearl necklace.
Number 17, please.
Pearl necklace, yes. Well done. Open these two panels for Michelle. I'll pick again.
Number 16, please.
5 bonus seconds.
Oh, that could come in really handy. Number 12, please.
Honolulu, no match. Mark.
Okay, I believe that match for Honolulu was under number 11.
Yep.
And number 12.
Yep. See, when you make a mistake, you say drats. When Michelle makes a mistake, as she didn't really make a mistake. She just didn't happen to come up with the match on Honolulu. She says, shoot. Right?
That's right, but I can...
You can get it back.
That's
You can
right.
get it
I'll
back from him very quickly, just like that. Open these two panels there for Mark.
Is it gracefully?
Is it gracefully? No, it is not gracefully.
Well, okay. How about this? Number 18.
That's a red tape.
And number 5 for the match.
That's a red tape. Well, you've got the match out of it. Now, Michelle has a pearl necklace. You have a young lady that you are kind of stuck on. What is your girlfriend's name?
My girlfriend's name is Charlene.
Charlene?
Yes.
How did you two meet?
We met at an amusement park in our
Here in Southern California?
No, actually in Ohio.
Oh. And is she from that part of the country?
Yes, she is. She's from Indiana.
I see. She is living here now.
Yep, she came out with me, and
You've been together for how many years?
3 years now.
3 years. And it might, as you indicated earlier, it might end up in marriage.
Oh,
if you
absolutely,
If you had the money or a lot of
I do
furniture or
now,
a lot of
Alex.
nice gifts. Yeah? What do you want to do? Do you want to grab the pearl necklace?
No, not yet. I gotta protect those things back there.
She's going to be heartbroken.
Well, so I have to settle for the ring.
She's watching, I know. Let's open these two panels for Mark. Pick again.
Let's try number 1.
35mm camera
And number
package.
16.
No, those
Right.
are the bonus seconds. Michelle.
Okay, how about number 2?
Video cassette recorder.
Put a match for that under number 8.
No, those are your novels again. Mark.
Number 4.
China set.
And number 13 for the match?
No, he blew it. He's been there so many times, he couldn't remember. Michelle, break his heart.
Okay, number 8, please.
Oops.
And number 13, please.
Yes?
There you go.
You were going for a different one.
That's right. I wanted those novels.
Yeah, you don't want that walk set. Let's open these 2 panels for Michelle. You pick again.
Number 4. And number 9, please.
There's the China set, not the walk set. It's a China set. Another prize for Michelle. 2 more panels opening. Select again.
Number 15, please.
5 bonus seconds.
Number 16, please.
Bonus seconds, right. Good job indeed. Take a look now. Whoever loses on this show leaves us. Michelle, you're in control of the board. Select again.
Number 7, please.
Sofa.
Number 22, please.
Sofa. Oh. Mark is on a roll.
Yes, she is.
It'll be tough to stop.
Yes, she is.
Open it up. Pick again.
Number 6, please.
35mm camera package.
Number 1, please.
35mm camera package.
There you go.
Open it up. Pick again.
Number 14, please.
Cash pot.
Number 23, please.
Video cassette recorder. Mark.
Number 2.
Video cassette recorder.
Number 14.
There's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. You can't ring in until the green light goes on. It'll go on after we reveal the first panel, and we'll do that starting with number 2. Mark's in first.
Is it bow out gracefully?
Bow out gracefully. Yes, it is. He had the gracefully a long time ago. Boy, did you gave us heart failure on that one. Let's go to the board. Gosh, you had it, and then you blew it, and then you got it back.
Okay, you have the bow and the wow, plus the T, which is bow out, and the dog is Goering, plus the ace, which is grace, and then the full, plus the full, plus the general lead, there's his melon, grace plus full lead. Bow out gracefully.
Gracefully. You had the gracefully early on.
A
long time ago. You just didn't come up with the front part of the puzzle. Michelle, 2 strikes against you. I'm sorry about that. I wish it could have turned out better for you. But we have a lovely parting gift for you backstage. Thanks for being here. Take
Good
care.
luck, Mark.
Thank you.
So long, Michelle. A nice lady.
Yes,
She was going to nail you, boy.
She was.
Oh, are you a lucky young man? Let's hear about the prizes, Gene.
Honolulu.
Yes.
We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Honolulu. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding and while in flight. Experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll stay 6 nights at the Deluxe Hawaiian Region, located near Diamond Head, overlooking Waikiki Beach. You may enjoy fine dining, sports, shopping, and special luxury touches furnished by the Hawaiian Region. And, of course, the handy computer and prizes total $4,097.
And he's got Washington, D.C. as a vacation. He has Honolulu as a vacation. And he may have a brand new car as well when we come back. All right, Mark, let's see how well you do with the 15 numbered squares and the clock now set at 40 seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
Thank you. 1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
Nope.
7, 9.
Nope.
7, 6.
Yep.
10, 12.
No.
3, 10.
Yes.
13, 15.
No.
2, 13.
No.
2, 15.
Yes.
5, 13.
Yes.
8, 1.
No.
4, 11.
Yes.
14, 9.
Yes.
8, 1.
No.
8, 12. 1, 12.
Yeah. All right, Mark. What a day for this young man. Happy Happy 4th of July. Gene, tell him.
Mark, you've just won this Plymouth Sundance 3-door liftback. Features a 2.2-liter 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and front-wheel drive. Furnished by Plymouth, a prize worth over $8,200.
Happy 4th indeed. $17,691. A break for us. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive the VitaVac. It's designed to remove pollen, ragweed, dust, and other allergens from your home while you vacuum. You'll love the way it cleans the air while it cleans your home. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
And all of us, happy 4th. So long, everyone.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.